Hello and welcome to another update video about ETH. Yeah, on the Ether chart, we have seen Ether follow through and form another low. That is sort of the forecast and has been the forecast yesterday. Nothing to add really. I mean, we have on the chart since the October high, the 1st of October high, which I count as a B wave top still. We had a wave 1 to the downside and a wave 2, and we're probably in the third wave. We calculated yesterday it should take us into the region. This circle wave 3 down there should take us into the region between 1450 and 1510 roughly. Yeah. However, in circle wave 3, we still have to complete this smaller degree third wave, then a fourth wave and a fifth wave. So that's what I'm watching for today. I think a bounce down here gets increasingly likely. The downside momentum seems to be slowing down a little bit. If we get a bounce, so this resistance area here was only relevant yesterday. The price reacted to it between 1585 and 1595. Then we still have the option that what is coming down here is just a B wave, just an overshooting B wave. I will leave resistance for the white wave count on the chart. This is just for the situation in which the price is, yes, in wave 3, but it's actually subdividing in the white wave count. It's just a different way of subdivision within circle wave 3, that we're dealing with a diagonal and an A wave was complete. We're now entering a B wave where just the C wave is outstanding. Resistance here is between 1606 and 1638. But the preferred interpretation would be the yellow wave count, where we are nearly or about to finish yellow wave 3. We're about to enter yellow wave 4 with resistance between 1594 and 1605. To be fair, maybe I'm going to add the 38.2 fib level here. So resistance is between 15, the ideal target would always be the 38.2 fib level. So it would be between 1583 and 1605 basically. That's what I would allow it to do. Ideally, to be honest, it stays below 1583 and 1583 and 1594. 1605 is possible. I've added it because it goes seemingly, into the other box. So it just depends which resistance areas we react to, so that we have an idea of, okay, is this wave 4 or is this wave B? But broadly speaking, against 1638, that's really the key resistance level, because even in the white wave count, a move above that would unlock something more bullish. Okay, what would that be? That's hard to say now, but it would probably just lead to further choppy price action. From what I can see now, it would simply be a delay in the sell-off and the B wave would reset, but we haven't even got a setup on the lower time frame for that. So I'm not primarily looking for that. In fact, I'm just now observing that Bitcoin seems to have sold off a little stronger than ETH, which is different from yesterday, which might indicate a subtle shift in the wave structure, which indicates that ETH might hold down here a little bit. Yeah, sideways consolidation, maybe wave 4 correction while Bitcoin is coming down. That's a bit speculative at this stage. I'm just highlighting that on the ETH BTC chart. Obviously, we're watching for a bottom to form. Doesn't mean it's there yet, but we're watching for it to form. We're quite close to the end of a downtrend there. At least that's what I assume. But again, it hasn't shown yet. But we might be in the beginnings of it. So yeah, I think everything going according to script here. There is no need to change the wave count. I just added resistance to make you aware of what would resistance be for wave 4. I can do that now because the wave 3 fulfilled 5 waves down. Could still go a little lower. 1530 would still be an ideal support level, but be aware when we get closer to 1530, it could happen as it did before, that we just get a bounce, and then this would be either wave 4 or wave B. These are the levels I'm going to watch for today. That's my update about ETH. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.